Ready to brine our turkey for Thanksgiving. And the questions I had when I started to brine the turkey. First, how long do you brine a turkey? And I figured out you want to brine it like 18 to 24 hours before you're going to put it in the oven or in your smoker, or I guess if you're going to fry it, but we've never done that. It's too dangerous. We smoke our turkey. So you're going to want to make your brine and get the turkey in 18 to 24 hours before you're going to cook it. We use a food grade bucket to put the turkey in.
Where did we get it?
We get this from Winco. They have food, bulk section food grade buckets there for a great price. And we use a Traeger recipe for our smoking. So we just follow the time of there's like 3 or 4 Traeger recipes if you have a Traeger. But as far as the brine goes, this recipe has apple cider, salt, some citrus, some herbs. We'll post the recipe in the caption. And what you do is you prep this, you bring the temperature up just to where it's kind of simmering so that the salt will dissolve. And once you do that, you're going to add more water to it to basically cool it down. And you don't want to put your turkey in a warm brine. You want it to be cool. So you either let it set out, or you could add ice cubes to it. I did that
So
once.
how long do you simmer it?
You simmer this just like 2-3 minutes.
Just to get it so that everything is like
so that this really it's just so that the salt will dissolve.
So once you simmer it, then how much water do you add to it?
It's 2 gallons is in the
2 gallons.
So I will put all the ingredients in here. I'll put enough water in here just so that the stuff is floating. I'll simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll pour it into the bucket over the turkey and fill it the rest of the way with the water.
Cool. Okay.
And then I usually do put the turkey in, put the lid on, and then I do one of these guys.
Swish it around.
Swish it around.
But you want to make sure that the brine is not warm. You want it to be cold. Yes. And then where do you put this while it's brining?
Once you're going, you either need to, because it's such a long time, you either need to put it into your fridge, or if it's cold enough outside, you can put it outside. But it needs to be, below 40 probably. I don't know the actual temperature, honestly. We stick it in the fridge.
Perfect. We have an extra fridge, so it goes in there. Yeah. Which, if you have your turkey in a fridge anyways, the bucket should fit somewhere.
I've done it outside, but this year it's not as cold, so I'll put it in the fridge.
Cool. Okay, so once the brine is cooled down, the turkey is all cleaned and ready, and it is in here, and then you just pour the brine over it.
And you want to take the stuff out. Don't forget to take the
neck and all that stuff.
That comes out.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. Turkey brine. The recipe is in the caption.